Take action is the most important thing. Take action is the most important thing. Don't care about don't value other than opinion, assessment, or comment. Use it, but don't value it too much. So in this journey, this life, you are the only one that care about your growth. You can treat any other people as an NPC. They might don't care about your growth. They might be your dream killer. So they will kill your dream and respect them, but follow your own path, follow your heart. Do the thing that you want to make it extraordinary. Okay, see you.